What is this, honey?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanasia. This is your first time watching. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss another upload. So if you read the title, you already know what we're looking at today. We're looking at the Jordan Off-White 4s and sales for women. It was a women's release and they came out today, July 25th. I'm saying that just because this video may not come out on the 25th. So I'm just saying that, you know. And I actually purchased the shoes on Tuesday. So I was able to get them because Nike did a ladies first exclusive. And I don't have the story of everybody else, how they were like, oh, I saw that, I read the message, blah, blah, blah. No, I did not read the message. I just hit like what, like little messaging, like what are they talking about? And it brought me to the sneakers to purchase, to the sneakers app. And I was like, okay, let me just attempt to get my size. And I got that immediate, got them, and I was shocked, extremely shocked. So shout out to sneakers, shout out to Nike for not giving me that L, because resale is ridiculous. And I knew I was going to get them on Saturday if I had to do it with everybody else. So here are these sneakers right here, and I paid retail $200, and I'm a size 7 in women's and Jordans, 5.5 in men's and boys. So yeah, so super excited to be showing you all the sneakers. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what's inside. So that was everything that was in the box. So you got your sneakers, of course, and you got 3 extra pair of laces, which you saw the mint ones, which was not in a baggie. I don't understand what happened in the factory. What happened? Why it wasn't in the baggie? And you got white ones and black ones, and they have shoelaces on them like any other typical off-white sneaker with Nike and Jordan. They have it on there. And you have your sale ones, which are already in the sneakers, which I like that we have extra laces because we can switch them out. I'll probably keep these in maybe for like a month or two, or like switch them with whatever outfit that I have on. So let's go ahead and look at the sneakers. We'll look at the left foot because the right foot is basically the same, except it doesn't have the zip tie and the hang tag. So one thing I like about the hang tag is that it has the Jumpman and it has air, and it is attached by this little piece. I forgot what it's called, but it's actually in the cell color too, which is a cool touch. The sneakers actually have the same attributes as any other Nike Off-White collaboration, Jordan Off-White collaboration, which is air in quotations, and the zip tie, and the writing on the side, which says Off-White for Nike, the name of the sneaker, which is the Air Jordan 4, and it says Beaverton, Oregon, USA in 1989, I think it says, because you can barely see it on this one, but you can see it pretty good on this one. Yeah, so they have that on here, but I will not be wearing the hang tag and the zip tie together because that's absolutely too much. Like, I would not. But I really love this color because sale is just me. It's a neutral, it's an off-white, it is a cream, and this is, like, for me, to be honest, a really good shoe to transition into the fall winter. Like, this with winter white, like a look. But definitely I'm gonna go ahead and start wearing them now. But something that I did see that I absolutely like, because this is my first pair of Nike Jordan Off-White collaboration, because I don't have neither one, is that the seams right here, they don't have thread. So it's pretty much like, I wouldn't say an unfinished shoe, but you know, kind of that kind of deal. Like, it has those touches that have been untouched. And I like how around this area, the toe box, that is like, I don't know how to explain it. So this is not plastic, I don't know what it is, but it's like they did not like cut the excess of the fabric, so they kept that, like the rigidness of it. I don't know how to explain it. It's like something you have to look at and see yourself and be like, oh, I got what you're saying. But yeah, I like that about these sneakers. The air bubble is not sailed. I feel like that's like one of the only other things on the sneaker that is not sailed. I think this is maybe like a gray. I think that's what it kind of looks like. And the bottom of the sneaker is mint, so that's kind of where they tied the mint in, so it's all coming together. So you have mint right here and Nike in mint. Also, the back is translucent, and this part right here is translucent, and right here is translucent, and this cage part is translucent, and this part is translucent. So yeah, and they also use the material that's right here, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's the same material they use to cover the Jumpman logo right here on the tongue. So also on the tongue, it's Air Jordan in the inside. So that's pretty much the whole shoe. It's not really that much, like everything's basically the same. So let's go ahead and get into the looks part of the video, where I show you 3 different looks that you can do with the Jordan Off-White 4s, because it's all about the looks and the fit. So let's go ahead and get into that part. So the first look I have is a set. I absolutely love sets for the summer and fall because it's the easiest way to look put together. I love a monochromatic moment, and that's definitely what you need with these sneakers. You don't want to go all the way crazy, because I look at these sneakers and I see like a semi-casual sneaker. Like, if I'm wearing these, the outfit has to be together. So I feel like a set is definitely the way to go. Zara right now has a lot of sets. They have like a mauve, a blue, a black. They have another set that's like a cream, and another one that's like made like a silk satin that's black. So you have your options right there. So look number 2. Y'all might think that I love a matching moment. I obviously do. So it's a Canadian tuxedo, a all denim fit. So I'm talking a denim shirt, maybe a denim jacket, either or, and a pair of like denim shorts or a denim jeans, of course. I think that it's a really good look, especially for the fall with these sneakers, because if you have the zip tie on the sneakers, it adds more of an element. And my eyes are going directly to the sneakers, because the 4s will pop more. Because you gotta think about it. This is a neutral color. So if you wear something that's darker, the person's eyes, and especially your eyes, will go directly to the sneakers. And I would actually switch out the laces if you do like all like blue denim. So like you could do white denim with, yeah, I would even do white denim, and do the laces being the mint. I feel like that would be a look, you know? Look number 3 is a slip dress. I feel like a slip dress is dressy, but when you put sneakers with a slip dress, it still keeps the dressiness but kind of tones it down, which I absolutely love. Because if I wear a dress, I'm definitely wearing my sneakers. Like, I'm really not a sandal person like I used to be years ago. Like, I will definitely put on some sneakers in a heartbeat with a dress. So with a slip dress, what I absolutely love is that it'll carry you all throughout the day. So if you want to go to brunch with the girls, put on a denim jacket, a trucker hat, and actually let's have a cute purse. Let's add that in. They'll have you for brunch. Then during the day, if y'all want to like walk around, do other stuff, you have your sneakers on, your feet doesn't hurt, and then they're like, okay, let's go out tonight, like let's keep the party going. You're good because you have your sneakers on, you have your fours on, and the fours are semi-casual, and it's a look. All you have to do is take off the hat, take the trucker hat off, and take the denim jacket off, leave the cute purse, and that's a look. There you go. Carries you throughout the entire day. So I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of my Jordan Off-White 4s in sale for women. Shout out to Nike and Sneakers for doing us right this time and actually giving us the opportunity to cop them before everybody else got their hands on them. And hopefully they'll continue to let us women get our sneakers first. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm about to go try my sneakers on because I have not even tried them on. Like, when y'all saw them, I just saw them with you. So, y'all make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss another upload. And I will see you all next time. Bye, y'all.